Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring beautiful place Fort Fredrick in Trincomalee. Sri Lanka is an island filled with history, culture and breathtaking landscapes. And today our journey takes us to the eastern coast, to one of the most fascinating historical sites in the country. Welcome to Fort Frederick, a place where colonial history, spiritual heritage, and natural beauty come together in a truly unforgettable way. Located in the beautiful city of Trincomalee, this fort stands proudly at the entrance of one of the world's finest natural harbors. But Fort Frederick is not just a fort. It is a silent witness to centuries of battles, cultures, and stories that shape this island. Let's explore its history, its beauty, and the incredible views that make this place so special. As you enter Fort Frederick, the atmosphere immediately changes. Tall trees line the road. The ocean breeze flows gently through the air, and the environment feels peaceful and calm. The massive stone gateway standing before us has welcomed travelers, soldiers, traders, and pilgrims for centuries. Every stone here carries a story. The story of Fort Frederick begins in the early 17th century. In 1624, the Portuguese built this fort after arriving in Trincomalee. At that time, Trincomalee was extremely important because of its deep natural harbor. Ships from many countries used this harbor for trade, making it a valuable strategic location. To secure their control over the region, the Portuguese built this powerful fort using stone and strong defensive walls. But history never stays still. In 1639, the Dutch captured the fort from the Portuguese and strengthened its defenses. Later, the British Empire also controlled the fort, using it an important military base during the colonial period. One of the most unique things about Fort Frederick is the combination of history and nature. Unlike many other forts, this place feels almost like a peaceful forest park. The roads inside the fort are shaded by tall trees, and the sounds of birds fill the air. Visitors often stop here just to enjoy the calm atmosphere. This peaceful environment makes Fort Frederick not just a historical site, but also a relaxing escape from busy city life. The deep blue water of the Indian Ocean stretches endlessly toward the horizon. Below, waves crash against the rugged rocks, creating a dramatic and unforgettable scene. The cool ocean breeze, the sound of the waves, and the peaceful surroundings make this one of the most relaxing and inspiring places to visit. Whether you are a traveler, photographer, or history lover, this place offers something truly special. The defensive walls of Fort Frederick were designed to withstand attacks from both land and sea. Built with massive stones, these walls once protected soldiers, weapons, and military supplies. The fort's location on elevated land gave soldiers a clear view of approaching ships or enemies. This strategic design made Fort Frederick a strong defensive point of centuries. Even today, the strength of these ancient walls still stands as a symbol of the engineering skills of the colonial era. One of the most breathtaking experiences inside Fort Frederick is reaching the viewpoints overlooking the ocean. From here, visitors can enjoy a panoramic view of Trincomalee Harbour and the endless blue waters of the Indian Ocean. These cliffs rise dramatically above the sea, creating a powerful and unforgettable landscape. Standing here, you can feel the cool ocean breeze and hear the waves crashing against the rocks below. It's easy to imagine how soldiers once stood here centuries ago watching ships enter the harbor. Today, instead of warships, we see fishing boats and peaceful ocean views. When you stand at this viewpoint, you realize that Fort Frederick is more than just a historical structure. It is a place where time feels slower, the place where the past and present meet. It is a place where history, culture, spirituality, and nature come together in perfect harmony. And the stunning views of Trincomalee's coastline make the experience even more unforgettable. If you ever visit Trincomalee, make sure to explore this incredible destination. Thank you for watching my video.